You want promotion? Then don't do this. Don't disappear after your watch. Don't say that's not my job. Don't wait to be told the obvious. Hold up. Promotion isn't just about how well you can keep watch. It's about how much trust you build. If your chief mate is always checking your work, they're not gonna recommend you. If you avoid extra responsibilities, you're showing you're not ready for more. Step up when it's tough. Offer help when it's not expected. Ask for feedback even when it's uncomfortable. You want that next stripe? Earn it when no one's watching.
So, 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 so,